Ayan. For today's video, ayan, nag-haircut na si Father.
You have?
You have what?
Of course, you understand already.
I don't have, sorry.
You tell them. Tell them to Peli. Tell to Peli.
Yes.
Ah,
Shout out sa mga kapatid. Oh, nagpagupit na siya.
hey.
Kailangan daw ng Red Horse.
Yeah.
Ilang case?
Ito yung kaya nila. Sabi ka naman na.
Hirap naman pag marami.
Magabuto ka. Dapat yung
Shout out sa tagagupit. Barbero.
ay,
Is that for free? Or with pay?
ano,
With Red Horse din.
pero hindi kaagad.